Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Introduction to Agentic AI, giving AI the power to act. Imagine a simple calculator. It reacts to your input. Agentic AI is different. It's like giving the calculator the power to act to decide what numbers to use, when to use them, and even why it chose those numbers. It's AI that takes initiative, not just responds. Think of a chatbot. A reactive chatbot simply responds to your questions. An agentic chatbot might proactively suggest relevant information or even start a conversation based on your past interactions. It's the difference between reacting and acting. For an AI to act effectively, it needs a plan. Imagine a robot vacuum cleaner. It doesn't just randomly move around. It plans a path to cover the entire floor efficiently. This planning is done through algorithms, sets of instructions the AI follows. After planning, the AI acts. It executes its plan. Crucially, it also receives feedback on the results of its actions. This feedback helps it learn and improve its planning for future actions. This iterative process is key. Let's say we're building a software agent that manages emails. It could plan to prioritize emails based on sender, subject, or keywords. It then acts by moving emails to different folders. Feedback could come from you marking emails as important or spam. Developing agentic AI involves using libraries and frameworks to create these planning and action mechanisms. We define the AI's goals, its possible actions, and the feedback loop. It often involves reinforcement learning or other techniques. Agentic AI presents challenges like ensuring safety and ethical considerations. But the potential is immense, from autonomous vehicles to advanced robotic systems and more. Intelligent assistants. Start by exploring simple reinforcement learning projects. Many online resources and tutorials are available to help you get started building your own agentic AI systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.